East African mindset, breaking news. Somali President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has arrived in Addis Ababa for a one-day working visit, holding high-level talks with Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. According to official statements, the discussions focused on strengthening relations between Somalia and Ethiopia, with key attention on security cooperation, political engagement, trade, and regional affairs. The two leaders exchanged views on the security situation in the Horn of Africa and explored how both countries can work together to promote peace, stability, and long-term development across the region. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed later described the meeting as productive, saying it builds on progress made over the past year and reaffirms a shared commitment to deeper partnership and regional stability. The visit comes as Somali political leaders hold parallel discussions inside Somalia on governance and the country's future direction. Follow and subscribe to East African Mindset for trusted East African news.